Hi. Traditional Power BI maps will soon be retired and replaced by Azure Maps. In this video, I will show you some of the key advantages of this new visual. In this video, we'll use an example with three connected tables: items, partners, and transactions. We are currently in model view, which displays the semantic model and relationships between these tables. When performing geographical analysis, it is often a good practice to create an additional column that provides more precise location information. In this example, I'll add a column named Geoloc, which combines the city and state names. This helps Power BI identify locations more accurately and improves the quality of map-based analysis. Let's also add a standard measure to calculate sales. Now we'll switch to Report View and create a simple report using the Azure Maps visual. In the location field, we should add the Geoloc reporting dimension. This field will be used to identify the locations on the map where sales occurred. Size field should contain data metrics. Let's add sales measure here. At the end, let's add classification to the legend field. Our visual is ready. If we open the formatting pane, we can further improve its appearance. Let's remove the title. In the map settings, we can choose the map style and its elements. It is a good practice to enable location labels, making the map clearer and easier to interpret. We could also show the map in 3D. The formatting pane offers many additional options that can be used to customize the Azure Maps visual and further enhance the appearance of your report. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a wonderful day.